Hi students, today we are going to discuss 11th standard physics lesson number 6 volume 2 6.4.1 content number. What is satellites? What is orbital speed and orbital velocity of the satellite and time period of the satellite? What is satellite? A body revolve around the earth is called satellites, like planet revolve around the sun. Two types of satellites: natural satellites, artificial satellite. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Polar satellite, geostationary satellite is a natural satellite of the earth. So what purpose we are using satellite? For communication purpose. Communications mainly depends on the satellite. Then second one is what is orbital speed and orbital velocity of the satellite. So from the diagram, ME mass of the earth, M mass of the satellite. A satellite move around the earth certain height h or radius of the earth. By Newton's law of gravitation, between the earth and the sun, some force is acting. That force is called gravitational force. So already we learned in 10th standard Newton's law of gravitation. In universe, every body attract every other body. Force which is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. From this law, finally we obtained gravitational force Fg is equal to gravitational constant G, mass of the earth, mass of the body by radius of the earth. So apply this formula here. Fg is equal to Gmme by Re plus h the whole square. Here Me mass of the earth, M mass of the satellite, Re plus h is the radius of the earth, or radius of the earth, h certain height from the earth. So Re plus h the whole square. This is equation 1. So here satellite revolve around the earth in circular path. So here centripetal force is acting. The centripetal force Fc equal to mv square by r. Applying this formula here, Fc is equal to mass of the satellite v square by Re plus h. This equation 2. So here gravitational force provides centripetal force. So equate this to equation. Fg gravitational force is equal to Fc centripetal force. So gravitational force Gme by Re plus h the whole square. Centripetal force mv square by Re plus h. Gravitational force is equal to centripetal force. So equate this equation. Rearrange this equation. So we are going to find orbital speed v. So orbital speed v square is equal to Gme Re plus h divided by m Re plus h the whole square. So cancel mass of the earth, mass of the satellite, mass of the satellite. Re plus h the whole square, Re plus h is cancelled. So v square is equal to Gme by Re plus h. Squaring on both sides. So v equal to square root of Gme by Re plus h. So from this equation, velocity of the satellite is inversely proportional to square root of its height. So from this conclusion, velocity speed of the satellite decreases, height increases. Her height decreases, speed of the satellite is increases. So this is the velocity of the satellite. Next we are going to discuss time period of satellite. Distance covered by a satellite during one rotation is equal to pi re plus h. So speed, orbital speed, velocity v equal to distance travelled by time taken. Distance travelled by the satellite 2 pi into re plus h by time t. So already we find orbital speed v equal to square root of gme by re plus h. So equate these two values, equations. Root of gme by re plus h is equal to 2 pi re plus h by t. We are going to calculate time period t. So t is equal to 2 pi re plus h root of re plus h by root of gme. So t is equal to 2 pi re plus h. So this equations written like this: re plus h whole power of root of gme. So t is equal to pi re plus h, re plus whole power of, base is common, so re plus h, power add 1 plus 1 by 3 by 2 root of gme. T square is equal to 4 pi square by gme re plus h to the whole cube. So in this equation 4 pi square by gme is constant c. So substitute this value in this equation. Time period t square is equal to c re plus h to the whole cube. So from this equation h is small, negligible. So t square is equal to 4 pi square by gm re whole cube. So rearrange this equation. T square is equal to 4 pi square by gme by re square into re, that is re square denominator, it comes numerator is re cube. So here gme by re square equal to acceleration due to gravity small g. So substitute this g value in this equation. T square is equal to 4 pi square by g into re. Re, radius of the earth 6.4 in 10 power 6 meter. Acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square. So substitute this value in this equation. Finally we obtained time period of a satellite is approximately equal to 85 minutes.